Today, what I'd like to do is walk you through what's called our new standard of the world Cadillac CTS-V, 556 horsepower.
At Ed Morse Bayview Cadillac, the Destination Guide's best car dealership in South Florida, it's a family affair. The Morse family got into the car business in 1946, when as a doorman in Miami Beach, Ed started renting cars to hotel guests. In the early 60s, he purchased his first dealership.
It was a Ford store located on 163rd Street in Miami Beach.
Over the next couple of decades, Ed and his son Ted continued buying dealerships throughout South Florida, including Bayview in 1979. Ed Morse Bayview Cadillac now is the senior member of the company's 14 dealerships and is run by Teddy, a member of the third generation. Teddy worked his way up the ladder by selling cars at different dealerships.
Learning, the ins and outs of different dealerships, different brands.
3 years ago, after a stint as assistant GM, he took over Bayview.
It's truly one of the nicest dealerships, not only in our group, but in the entire state of Florida. It's outstanding.
Teddy has not only overseen a renovation of the dealership, he's experienced an overhaul of the Cadillac brand.
The way that it's programmed, which is really nice, if the vehicle is locked, and usually ours chirp.
Now, with the CTS that has come out, and the sedan, the coupe, the sport wagon, the new SRX crossover, the Escalade, of course, which is a legend in the market, we're starting to bring in customers that we have never seen before. Young women, young men. That not only makes me excited for the brand, but it makes me proud to be a part of it.
I like working here at Bayview Cadillac because everybody's so great, all the employees, the customers. It's just a great atmosphere to be around. It's fun and yet efficient at the same time.
But as always, the glue that holds everything together is family, both immediate and extended.
Everybody here, for the most part, has been here a long time. It is a family-owned and operated business, and a lot of the family is within the business.
I've been here at this store for 16 years.
Personally, I've been here 29 years at this dealership. Most of our technicians have been here for 15 or more years. So there's a lot of longevity, and there's a reason for that. So everyone kind of interacts as a family, and we're treated that way.
We all have the same cars. We all have the same models. We all own them for the same price. But what makes Ed Morse Bayview Cadillac different than any other dealership is the people who are working here. The people here truly do care